How to clear cache in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear it out. First of all, navigate to the place where the application is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we get here at the app info. Here you can customize and make different changes in the app. Here on the right bottom, there's an option called clear data. Tap on clear data. Now you can erase all your data or just clear cache. So it's up to you. Here I'm tapping on clear cache and tap on OK. So this will remove all of the temporary files and make the app lag free. Now you can simply go back and start opening the app and start learning your lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.